Listen, almost all open your book at a page of an invitation to here. Listen, students, right angle and the roads. Very fine chapter, very interesting chapter, and for the teen ages particularly. How to viewers. Completed. Listen, friends, Nightingale and the roads. If we notice certain type of affair, and that is happened to for a young student, for a university students, and how it characterizes the failure or infatuation of a love in one's life. So you must be knowing about Nightingale. What is the meaning of Nightingale? बिल्कुल करके and the importance of a road students, road immediates, road acts and then ready to focus about the situation happening in relation to affairs. And it's well written by Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde fine topic लिखते पहले ଗୋଟେ ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ ବୁଲବୁଲ ପକ୍ଷୀ ଏବଂ ରୋଜ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଲାପ ଫୁଲ ଆଉ ଏଇଟାକୁ ନେଇକି ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଆମର ଟପିକଟା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଇଛି and it is one type of moral lesson for the newcomers as well as the beginners, for the freshers, for the students of class 2 second year. Introducing the author, Oscar Dingle O. Carright Wills Wilde was born in 1854 and died in 1900. Listen, students, you must have to remember the year relating to his birth and the year relating to his death from MCQ questions. He is a gifted poet, playwright, novelist, and a short story writer from Ireland. What is the meaning of gifted? Talented. Talented personality, Oscar Wilde. And it belongs to which country? Ireland. You must be knowing about UK, consisting of Ireland, England, Wales. Ireland and Wales. So, students, the writer from which stories are marked by sparkling wit. What is the meaning of sparkling? Shining. कौन भी बाहर टिके स्पार्कलिंग होची जहां निगड़ा वाली वर्षा को चली थी स्पार्कलिंग which in the sense intellect मतलब जो knowledge का था it was something extraordinary very fashionable very promising for the younger generations and genial humor and an insight into human nature. What is the meaning of a genial? Genial in the sense cheerful and humor in the sense what is the meaning of humor? Humor means हमारे पर्टिकुलर हमें जो टेम्परामेंट मानसिक स्थिति गोटे यंगर जेनेरेशन रो मानसिक स्थिति की केमिति बुझीबा एवं सेया को बेस करी गोटे पूरी एक्सपोज करिबा दैट वाज इज इनेट कैपेबिलिटी दैट वाज इज पोटेंशियलिटी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स अगेन Oscar Wilde ଥିଲେ actually gifted poet talented poet playwright ଥିଲେ ଭଲ ଭଲ ନାଟକ ମଧ୍ୟ ଲେଖୁଥିଲେ novelist ଉପନ୍ୟାସ ଲେଖୁଥିଲେ and short story writer from Ireland Irelander ସେ ଥିଲେ actually and his stories are marked by sparkling wit that is the portent of a talented person sparkling wit and genial humor to study human mind and an insight into human nature he has acumen he got the potentiality to learn into human nature. But मनुष्य का प्रकृति कौन होगा दरकार आप बता रहे हैं लर्निंग प्रोसेस कैपेसिटी तो मैंने बुझिलान कि असुविधा रहला ओडिया रे कहली ऑस्कर वाइल्ड का बता रहे इट हैज इंट्रोड्यूसिंग कैरेक्टर ऑस्कर वाइल्ड बिलोंग्स टू व्हिच कंट्री नंबर मेन थिंकिंग कौन थिला नंबर फेनोमेनन कौन थिला लर्निंग इनटू ह्यूमन नेचर मनुष्य प्रकृति को भल भाबरे जानिबा इंग्लिश रे जो माने इंग्लिश मीडियम पिला अच्छा ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द टॉपिक पर्टिकुलर इन आइडिया एंड द रूल्स influences our character relating to human personality and most of the people by their status of age limit convert their human nature into a frivolous manner that attracted right ଗୋଟେ ମଣିଷର ଜୀବନଶୈଳୀ ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟେଜ ଅନୁଯାୟୀ କେମିତି ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ଘଟେ ଆଉ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ ଲାଇଫ କେମିତି କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁଟ ବାଇ ଦ ମାର୍କିଂ ଅଫ one's attitude one's phenomenal characteristics that is very stage Verma you are acquainted with the fairy tales actually student what is the meaning of the fairy tales fictitious ଅପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ କଳ୍ପିତ ଗପ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଗପ ଗୁଡା ଆମେ ମନକୁ ମନ ବାନ୍ଧି ଦଉ ନାହିଁ ଆମେ ଦେଖ ପୁରୁଣା ଶାସ୍ତ୍ର ଯୋଉ ଗପ ମିଥିକାଲ ରାଇଟିଂ ଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଗୁଡା ହଉଛି fictitious ତାର କଣ ହିଷ୍ଟୋରିକାଲ ପ୍ରୁଫ ଅଛି ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ ପ୍ରୁଫ ଅଛି ଆମେ କଣ କଲେ ମନକୁ ମନ fictitious 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 ମାନେ ହଉଛି ମିଥିକାଲ FICTITIOUS fictitious ଅପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ କଳ୍ପିତ ମନକୁ ମନ ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ କଣ କରୁଛୁ ନା ଗପ ବା ଷ୍ଟୋରି ବାନ୍ଧି ନଉଛୁ ସେଗୁଡା ରହିଲା ଆମର ଫେୟାରି ଟେଲ୍ସ ये fairy tale usually relates to fantasy what is the meaning of fantasy imagination हमें मन को मन कल्पना करनेलो in which often animals birds and even non-living beings speak human voice and share human joy and sorrows in which animals ये जो गप गुडा पिला में सुनो बेले बेले कौन होते चरी माने गप कथा कहते एनिमल माने कथा कहते और नॉन लिविंग मध्ये जैसे स्पीक करते तमे भी जानि दिबो पिले जेते बेले हम कहबो जे हमर टिकटिक स्टाइल कोन जेते बेले पर्टिकुलर रावण कोन करे सीता को चोरी करे नेले सेते बेले गोटे पक्षी रामचंद्र को इंफॉर्मेशन देइला से पक्षीर नाम कोन दिला जटायु जटायु कितना नहीं एगुडा देई बडे सब स्टोरी जो भी बाढ़ होती एनिमल होती ताकर डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज के परफॉर्म करते ताको हमें कोन कहि दाओ हमें ताको कहि दाओ fairy tales hey listen this story is written in the fairy tale tradition in this story a nightingale is moved by sympathy for a young student that she sacrifices her life to give him a red rose actually try to understand students in this story a nightingale is so moved by the sympathy nightingale के पूरे sympathy देखे कहां प्रति पूरे young student कोटिकारा ना ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट एवं तारे गोटे रिलेशनशिप गढी उठिला गोटे प्रोफेसर को झियो सहित एवं सेठी गोटे कमिटमेंट रहितिला मिनिमम यंग स्टूडेंट पे गोटे रेड रोज दरकार अब से रेड रोज पाइबो कोठो यंग स्टूडेंट पाइबो रेड रोज से रेड रोज पाइबो में सैक्रिफाइस करछि गोटे बार ठीक लिसन स्टूडेंट्स हैव यू सीन ए nightingale it is natural students nightingale गुडा में ये देखिए the nightingale is a migratory bird seen in Britain from April to September nightingale is migratory means it flies from one place to another on the basis of seasonal condition गोटे सीजन नो आ गोटे सीजन से फ्लाई ओवर हुए on the basis of migration ये गोटे स्थान रो आ गोटे जाते और तुम मध्ये देखि देबो चिलिका रे मैक्सिमम पक्षी पर माइग्रेशन बटे हमर विंटर सीजन में आ nightingale गुडा अवेलेबल थांदे फाउंड इन ब्रिटेन from April to September. It is a small brown bird, famous for its enchanting sad song. ये बैट का कौन करे सब बड़े दुखर गीत गाई था ये ओ अपनी हार्ट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ थ्रो इन द सेंस पेन दुखर यंत्रणा भी से परिप्रकाश करता है ये नाइटिंगेल by reciting a song गोटे गीत गाई करी त हृदय जो रही गीत बा यंत्रणा को परिप्रकाश करे and the voice of a DJ से कौन विश करे ता मन रे कौन इच्छा अछि ताको एक्सप्रेशन करे था बुझले को बोले ओडिया जोटा कहले जानि परलो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल बुक फॉलो करो तो वाटा यदि प्रॉब्लम रहउछि यू कैन आस्क मी माइग्रेटरी गोटे स्थान रो आ गोटे स्थान को सीजन को सीजन गोटे स्थान रे प्रथम रहे के विंटर रे तो समर सीजन आ गोटे देखो Magician to professional or hobbyist company document. Sympathy. Sympathy means what type of populous virtue of the human character. Sympathy माने कौन? सहानुभूति. सहानुभूति. Next टाइप की coordinating अच्छी की. You can ask me students. Ask. Humor. Humor. Humor होती temperament. मिजाज. मानसिक स्थिति. सिंपैथी सहानुभूति. सिंपैथी. सिंपैथी means कौन से sacrifice करती. Sacrifice करती. Fantasy. Fantasy is imagination. Listen, students. Human ର ଗୋଟେ virtuous character ଆମେ କହିଲେ କି ମଣିଷର ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ sympathy, tolerance, manner ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ noble quality, virtuous quality. Okay, students, listen. Read the following unit of the story and see how a nightingale feels pity for a young student in law. Listen, students. Read the following unit of the story for the story tells about. See how a nightingale feels pity. What is the meaning of pity? Pity means kindness. For a young student in law, जो स्टूडेंट टिके प्रकृति रे तार अटैचमेंट रहिछि, मैक्सिमम अफेक्शन रहिछि और प्रोफेसर जियो पई तार जो रहउछि रेड रोज और रेड रोज के केमिति से दबो के ना नाइटिंगेल से वर्ल्ड से कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट कंट्रीब्यूट करूछि. She said that she would dance with me if I brought her red roses. Cried the young students. But in all my garden there is no red rose. Come to the topic, students. She said, means the professor said. She would dance with me. She mostly the nacho very good, dance very well. If I brought her red roses, but the commitment is that we're wearing a red rose. यदि मुझे तुम्हें उधर red rose दबो, मैं ताले मौसी तो dance करेंगे. Cried the young students. Young student वर्तन पहुंचे. But in all my garden there is no red rose. इनको बगीचा सारा वो जगह पे red rose ना है. So try to understand this point. If any doubt, you can ask me, students. From her nest in the oak tree, the nightingale heard him, and she looked out to the lake and wondered. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସଫରେ ରହିଛି କି the young student ର କିଛି desire ଅଛି to at least get a red rose, ତାକୁ ବୁଝି ପାରିଛି କିଏ ଗୋଟେ nightingale. Nightingale କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଥିଲା? In a oak tree, ଗୋଟେ oak ଗଛରେ ରହିଥିଲା nightingale. Oak ଗୋଟେ ଗଛ, oak tree, and the nightingale had him, and she looked out to the leaves and wondered. ସେ ଗଛର ପତ୍ର ଭିତରେ ସବୁ ଅନେଇଲା, ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଖୋଜିଲା. ତ wondered means look here and there. ଏଠି তুমি ଚାହିଁଲା କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ପ୍ରକୃତରେ available ଅଛି କି red roses. Try to understand, students. There was a certain type of a ball which was conducted by the king. Certain princess ଆମର declare କରିଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ dance program ହବ, ଗୋଟେ party ଦିଆଯିବ, and it would be held by couple dances. से एरिया रे जेते गुडा सब अछंदी प्रकृतर लवर और बिलव माने डांस करिवे. It would be certain type of a fantastic environment, but at that scenario the young student वर्तमान कोन कला कमिटमेंट करथिला प्रोफेसर को डॉक्टर का जीरो सहित जे प्रकृति में डांस करिवे. For the requisite, but the demand was that if you provide a red rose to me, then I will dance with you. तमे जदि मत red rose दबो तमे से डांस करिवे. But it was certain type of unfortunate for the young student. There is no availability of red roses. Red rose रे जमा available नथिला. ताको बुझी करला कि वो ट्रे रहउतिना गोटे नाइटिंगेल. नाइटिंगेल भाबिला मु टिके सिंपली देबी ता प्रति सहानुभूति रखिबी ताको हेल्प करिबी. आ तू यंग स्टूडेंट जा होला त डिजाइन का फुलफिल. बुझे लगे पहले टॉपिक हम जाई because our questions should be shared MCQ on this. Next, students, no red roses in my entire garden. Entire means total. The total garden में red rose नहीं. He cried. That means a young students cried. And his beautiful eyes filled with tears. सुंदर सुंदर जो आखि दिला young student रा filled with tears. दुहरे भरपूर रही गला. Happiness depends on such little things. ये छोटी जिनिस के ऊपर ना बड़े-बड़े खुशी का happiness depend करे. I have read all that the wise men have written. विज्ञान लोगों ने बहुत किसी लिखी जाई चंदी. And all the secrets of philosophy are mine. I have gone through different type of philosophy. I have gone through different type of novels. Yet, for want of a red rose, I like that red. सामान्य अपने गोलाप को कहीं वो जीवन का मतलब रिचर्ड इन द सेंस मिजरेबल मार्म को तो ये कपिल मन रखा ଗୋଟେ ଇଂଲିଶ ର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମିନିଂ କହିବା ମତେ ଆଖିର ଅର୍ଥ ବୁଝିବା ଟିକେ କଷ୍ଟ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଇଂଲିଶ ର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମିନିଂ କହିବା ଇଟ ଇଜ ଗେଟିଂ ଟୁ ବି ଫର ହାର୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ରିଚର୍ड means measurable okay students try to understand the commitment was getting to be fulfilled by the young students till then there is no availability of red roses they moved here and there but the striking result was that red roses were in planting प्रकृति red rose गुड़ा का प्रभाव दिला that's why the condition was going from bad to worse that condition Parapuru that is a wretched condition wretched is measurable there is a true lover said the nightingale बर्तन consider कला प्रकृति एकदम true lover ये ना young students his hair is dark as the night and his lips are red as the rose of his teacher but his passion has made his face like a pale ivory and his sorrow is upon his forehead. Listen students, these are the commitment words relating to romance. So, our meaning accurate हम कहबा को हम ओडिया रे हार्ड आसीबो तो मैं इंग्लिश रे एक्सप्लेन कर दोची since the Nightingale considered the young student was a true lover at the time he fascinated the young student with his physical appearance that means his hair is as dark as the night it is nothing but the figures of speech relating to I mean one type of organized sentences and his lips are red as the rose of his desire lips are nothing but the expression of one's desire and what is passion means instinct prakriti that made his face well like that means his attitude was that how to find out a red rose but it is not available red rose meluni that's why his passion made his face like pale ivory pale in the sense what is the meaning of pale in the sense sorrow how ivory in the sense facial appearance ताको मुंह particularly हमें जो yellowish white that is facial appearance and that is nothing but ivory and a sorrow is upon his brow ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକକୁ ଦେଖିବ ସେ ସୁଖରେ ଅଛି କି ଦୁଃଖରେ ଅଛି ଏଇ ଫୋରଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ କପାଳ ବ୍ରୋ ହଉଛି କଣ କପାଳ ସେ କପାଳର ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ସନ ହବ the prince gives a pearl tomorrow night or the young students and my love will be there listen students the prince gives a pearl means party tomorrow night ଆସନ୍ତା କାଲି ରାତ୍ରିରେ prince ଗୋଟେ party ଦେବେ murmur means whisper उन्होंने एक दिन कहला कि कहला young student कहला so but my love will be there actually my girlfriend would be there to please herself if I bring her a red rose जदि मैं ଗୋଟେ red rose नहीं आतली she will dance with me till dawn if आइला पर्यंत से लोग से dance करिवो if I bring her a red rose I shall hold her in my arms and she will lean her head upon my shoulder and her hand will be clasped in mine. But there is no red rose in my garden. So I shall sit lonely and she will pass me by. She will dance only with the others and my heart will break. These are the terms relating to romance. So it is hard to explain only as students. But since you are actually elder ones, you must have the class over the topic students. But there is no red rose in my garden. Everything is getting through imagination. But imagination young student but there is no red rose in my garden ମୋ ଗାର୍डन ରେ ରେଡ୍ ରୋଜ ନାହିଁ ସो ଆଇ ସାଲ୍ ସିଟ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି ମୁଁ ଯିବି କଲ୍ କୁ କାଟିକି ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମୋ ସହିତ କେହି ଆଉ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ କରିବେନି ବିକଜ ଏ ନଟ୍ ଅଫ ରେଡ୍ ରୋଜ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ରେଡ୍ ରୋଜ ନାହିଁ नो बडी विल डांस विथ मी आई विल सिट ओनली ମୁଁ ଏକା ଏକା ବସିବି and it is getting to be a tragic time and she will pass me और जे नंबर से वो साइड देके ଯିବ she will dance only with others ଅଲଗା ମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ କରିବ and my heart will break. It would be second time to breaking of my heart. It is very tragic as well as pathetic. Night after night, हाँ भाई राति पर राति ମୁଁ କଣ କରିଛି ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ବଢିଆ ସବୁ ଲଭର ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ଗୁଡାକ ଗାଇଛି not the nightingale and what I sing of he suffers what is joy to me to him is pain ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଆନନ୍ଦରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଓକ୍ଟରେ ବସି ଗୀତ ଗାଇବି ମୋତେ ସିନା କିଛି happiness ଆସିବ pleasure ଆସିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ସଫର ହବ କିଏ young man suffer hବ but I will not sing such type of song ଏଭଳିଆ ସବୁ ଗୀତ ମୁଁ କେବେ ଗାଇବିନି third the nightingale and what I sing about he suffers what is joy to me to him is pain surely what is love love is a wonderful thing it is more precious than emeralds the ଗୋଟେ wonderful thing but more precious than emeralds emerald କଣ ମୋତି ମୋତି ଠାରୁ ଆହୁରି ମଧ୍ୟ କଣ କି ପାୱାରଫୁଲ ଅର୍ଥାତ ପ୍ରେସିୟସ୍ and dearer than fine opals opals એટલે କଣ ରତ୍ନ ପଥର opals ହଉଛି ରତ୍ନ ପଥର that means when everybody or anybody will ask you what is love love is a wonderful thing and it is more precious than emeralds এটা particularly ମୋତି ମାଣିକ ଠାରୁ ଆହୁରି ପ୍ରେସିୟସ୍ ମୂଲ୍ୟବାନ and dearer than fine opals ଆହୁରି ଅଧିକା ଆଟାଚ ରହିଥାଏ କାହା ପାଖରେ ରତ୍ନ ପଥରକୁ ସମସ୍ତେ ପାଖରେ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତି ତମେ ଦେଖିନା ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟୋନ ୟୁଜ କରନ୍ତିନି ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ସନ ହୁଏ ନା ନାହିଁ ସो ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍ opals ରତ୍ନ ପଥର ଆମର କଣ ଷ୍ଟୋନ stones so students pearls ମାନେ କଣ ମୁକ୍ତା and pomegranates ମାନେ କଣ କାଣିବ ଏଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଫଳମୂଳ ଗୁଡାକ ମାର୍କେଟରେ ମିଳୁଛି ତାକୁ କିଣି ଆଣିବ ଲଙ୍ଗ ଟର୍ମ ଗୁଡକୁ ପରଚେଜ କରିବ তুমি ଛତ୍ର ବଜାର ପଡିବ ନା ସେଟା available can buy it nor it is for sale in the marketplace ରେ ଏଟା କେବେ ସେଲିଂ ହୁଏନି it may not be purchased from the merchants ବଣିକ ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ ଆମେ ପରଚେଜ ପାଇଁ କିଣି କରିପାରିବାନି nor can it be paid out in exchange for gold gold को हम एक्सचेंज करें मार्केट में मतलब लॉ को परचेज कर पाएगा what are the commitments given here the musicians will play upon their string instruments in the sense जो मैंने तारा जुड़े जो instrument गुड़ा का तारा instrument हम लोग गुड़ा का particularly हम जाने का violin guitar जो राउची particularly कहीं भी देख कितना word listen students sir the young student and my love will dance with the sound of the harp and the violin यदि मैं गली से प्रोग्राम को एक कौन talking the class ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଯିବି ସେତେବେଳେ ତାର ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡାକ ଅଛି ଆଉ କିମ୍ବା ଭାୟୋଲିନ୍ ହଉ ଏଗୁଡାକ ସ୍ୱରରେ ଯେମିତି ବାଜିବ ଏବଂ ସମସ୍ତେ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ କରିବେ ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେତେବେଳେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲି ମୋର ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟେସନ ଥିବ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ କରିବି and she will dance so lightly that her feet will not touch the floor ସେ ଏମିତି ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ କରିବ her feet will not touch the floor ତା ପାଦ ମଧ୍ୟ ତଳେ ଲାଗିବନି ମାନେ ଏମିତି ସ୍ମୁଥ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସିଂ ହବ it is nothing but actually certain type of a miracle commitments miraculous words to be considered and the courtiers in their gay dresses will throng around her जो माने से सब ऑडियंस वाले दिबे प्रिंसेस वाला जेतबेले राज परिषद वर्ग जो माने कोर्टियर्स माने दिबे से माने तो सब ऑफर करबे गिफ्ट और टोटली कोन करबे तो देव से सामने ये जो कोन विभिन्न प्रकार के प्लान सब्सटेंसेस ज्वेलरी प्राइसेस बट विथ मी शी विल नॉट डांस सब मु मानुची सब गुडा पतन इमेजिनेशन भीतर अछि सब गुडा फैंटेसी भीतर अछि बट देयर इज अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ नॉट गेटिंग रेट रोजेस एवरीथिंग वुड बी fallacious so for I have no red roses to give her and he flung himself down on the grass and buried his face in his hands and wept the meaning of flung means fell down से पड़ी गला young student को ना घास ऊपर तळे पड़ी गला and Putting his face in his hands. तेरे घर का मुंह को नीचे की रखेला वो रेडी को नीचे की रखेगा buried his face in his hands and wait देखो कांदी का आरंभ केला wait why is you weeping से कौन भाई कांदुची इसके लिखे उसके लिए लीजा लीजा ने उची एंडू देखो कि आने को स्लाइड का एचके मन कर स्टोरी का लेखा उची और ये पार्ट हमर रोइला अल्टेंगल तापर लीजा डासी गला why is you weeping past the Ethiopian leader Egypt as he ran past him with his tail in the air તમે જાણી કોઈ ઢેંડી હોય તો ચાલી જાય તો લંબા લાંજો ସେ ତାକୁ କଣ କରିବ ମୋବାଇଲ ରେ ହଲେଇ ଦେଇ ଯାଉଥିବ ପାସ୍ କରିକି ଗଲା ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ କମେଣ୍ଟ କଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯେ ଦୁଃଖରେ ପଡିଥିବ ଲୋକମାନେ ତାକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବା ଲୋକ ବହୁତ କମ ତାକୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଅଧିକ ଦୁଃଖ ଦେବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହୁ କଣ ଉପରେ that means the bundle of weightages were running in trouble ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜଣେ କଣ କରୁଛି ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ଅଛି ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଅଧିକା କଣ କରିବା ଲୋଡ ଦେବା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ଦୁଃଖରେ ଅଛି ସେ ଭାରି ହଉଛି କଣ କଥା ନା ପ୍ରିନ୍ସେସ ମାନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ତାକୁ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରୁଛି କିଏ and why indeed ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ସେ କଣ ପାଇଁ କରୁଛି କିଏ ପଚାରୁଛି ସେଟା ବଟରଫ୍ଲାଏ ଇନସେକ୍ଟ ଭିତରେ ଯଦି କିଏ ଅଧିକ ଇଗୋସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ଥାଏ ସେ ହଉଛି ବଟରଫ୍ଲାଏ ଆଉ ବାର୍ଡ ଭିତରେ ଯଦି ଇଗୋସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ଥାଏ କିଏ ପିକଅପ୍ ଆଉ सोसाइटी में देखिए इग्नोसेंट्रिक ଥାନ୍ତି so students who are fluttering after after sunbeam ଯେତେବେଳେ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ କିରଣ ଟିକେ ପଡି ଯାଇଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କଣ କରୁଛି ଫ୍ଲଟରିଂ ଅର୍ଥାତ ବେଣା ଧରିକି ଉଡିବା ଫଟଫଟ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ କରିବା ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ ପଢିଥିଲେ କୋଉ ଚାପ୍ଟର ରେ ଫ୍ଲଟରିଂ ଫ୍ଲଟରିଂ ଇନ ଦି ସେନ୍ସ କଣ କରୁଛି ବେଣା ଧରିକି ଚାଲିଛି କି ନା ବଟରଫ୍ଲାଏ ହେଇଛି ଆଚ୍ଛା क्वेश्चन ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ आंसर କଣ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖ ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ Each waving for the red rose. Nightingale ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କଣ କରୁଛି क्वेश्चन आंसर ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ହଁ ହଁ ସେ ୟଙ୍ଗ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ କାନ୍ଦୁଛି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ରେଡ ରୋଜ ପାଇଁ ରେଡ ରୋଜ ପାଇଁ କାନ୍ଦୁଛି କହିଦେଲେ କି ନା ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ ଭାବିଲେ ମୁଁ ମାନେ ଆଉ କି ସାକ୍ରିଫାଇସିଂ ଏଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି who will comment something to fill up the picture young student concern students when a red rose they cried how very ridiculous ये सामान्य लाल गुलाब कैसे कांदुची ये कहउचरी लिजेंड हाउ बटरफ्लाई कोन कहते ridiculous means laughing stuff हास्यास्पद करिबा कमेंट करिबा हसी कि उड़े गला ଗୋଟେ କଥା को मजाक उड़ेबा laughing stuff ridiculous अरे रोज they cried how very ridiculous की माने बस हास्यास्पद कथा सामान्य गोटे लाली गोलाप फूल कैसे कांदुची नाइटिंगेल अंडरस्टूड द सीक्रेट ऑफ हिज स्टूडेंट्स सरो नाइटिंगेल तो प्रकृति बुझी पारुची यंग स्टूडेंट रो सीक्रेट सरो इन द सेंस लव गॉड एंड दैट इज गेनिंग टू बी टू ए रेड रोज जो प्रकृति गोटे रेड रोज माध्यम रे रिफ्लेक्ट करि परिबो एंड शी सैट साइलेंट इन द ओक ट्री वर्तमान नाइटिंगेल कोन कला साइलेंटली बसला कोठी ओक ट्री and thought about the mystery of love. प्रकृତରେ love ର mystery कौन, love ର surrounding कौन, love ର preconception कौन, love ର रहस्य कौन. What is the infinity relating to love? What is the mystery relating to love? What is the preoccupation relating to love? हमने सामान्य गोटे गोलाप फूल दरकार था ପାଇଁ तार डिजायर को फुलफिलमेंट करिवो यंग स्टूडेंट कोउ जगह मिलुची सेति पई से कांदुची एतु प्रकृତରେ हार्ट टू मेल्ट करेची नाइटिंगेल ये चैप्टर में हमें पढ़ुचे ये चैप्टर का बेस्ट कैरेक्टर होची नाइटिंगेल देखो प्रोग्राम को जेबो यंग स्टूडेंट रेड रोज का तो का को प्रोफेसर को डॉक्टर को लेकिन नाइटिंगेल कोन दरकार लिया नाइटिंगेल वर्तमान रोमिंग अबाउट एपिसोड कोचे को एकदम प्राइवेट रेड रोज तो फुलफिल कर दे जरा अभी यंग स्टूडेंट समरी पे भाई लेसन टू स्टूडेंट्स एक्चुअली what that somebody teaches us what is the moral behavior most of the actually Oscar Wilde try to imagine the human spirit particularly the youngsters most of the time the youngsters are infatuated by infatuation now wasting their learning wasting their money wasting their time they aspire after worship after relation to love but when it becomes unsuccessful they understood that love is better than logic. Logic is superior to love, but philosophically, they guided by better. This topic analyzes that Young students desire was getting to be fulfilled by a nightingale. Nightingale could be fulfilled it, but by providing a red rose. But it is not easy to find out the red rose. It is not available in policeman or police. Red rose is actually product of a seasonal discrimination. Most of the time, you must be knowing students, roses are of different colors. It may be white rose, it may be red rose. Still, the red rose is actually available. And before that, students, since you are art student, for completing your first two arts, most of the students may after to learn into English colors. And each and every term must be understood by yourself. Actually, students, what is the definition of law? When you consider it economically, because maximum values of economics are available here. When you consider law in definition of economics, according to Samuel Morse, when poverty enters through the door, law get out of the window. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦରିଦ୍ରତା ଲୋକ ଘରକୁ ପ୍ରବେଶ କରିବ ଲଭ ଛାଡି ଝରକା ଗୋଟେ ପଡିବ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆମର ଫେମସ ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ମନ ଭିତରେ ରଖିଛେ ଏପିଜେ ଅବଦୁଲ କଲାମଙ୍କର କୋଟେସନ ରିଲେଟେଡ ଟୁ ଲଭ ଏପିଜେ ଅବଦୁଲ କଲାମ କହିଥିଲେ ଲଭ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ବିଟୱିନ୍ a beautiful girl and a beautiful boy. Love is between a beautiful between two beautiful girls. That is the quotation of APJ Abdul Kalam. Love केबे गोटे beautiful झिया किना beautiful पुओ भीतर नता है एटा थाए beautiful heart भीतर. So what is the synchronization here? What we are talking about? हमें एटा काहे बळिया होई जाउछु हमें जेतेबे लव कथा कहले हसी दोछ तमे तार मीनिंग हमें जानु प्रकृति भाबी नियो लव गोटे एबोल जिंस जदि हमें कहबा हमर बेस्ट लव होछि नेचुरल लव ए दुनिया रे केही एमिति नाही का मां को भलो पाए ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड योरसेल्फ ये दुनिया रे केही नाही जे भगवान को भलो पाए न ईश्वर हुंतु अल्लाह हुंतु किबा यीशु हुंतु जहा को केही भलो पाउथिबो दैट इज स्पिरिचुअल लव आ गोटे मन रखो कमिटमेंट आजिकली सोसाइटी रे सबुठो बेसी चलछि इमोशनल